Welcome back, you guys. Today we're going to be doing the Ipsy unboxing for the month of December. It's our last one of 2023, and then we move into 2024, which mind-blowing how quickly years go, right? If you haven't already recognized, I don't have a lot of makeup on because if there's some products in here, I kind of want to play around with them and see what's going on. So we're going to do that together. I have my Ipsy bag, my $13, is it $13 now? And my Glam Bag Plus, and we're gonna play around and see what's inside of it. You might hear some background noise. I got my little puppy dog just right here next to me. You can probably see her right here in the back. She's my gal pal. She's my gal pal. She likes to hang out with me. So let's go ahead and get into this. If you guys are new to my channel, welcome. My name is Stephanie, and let's do this. You guys, how freaking cute is this bag? I am totally for this right here. Let's just make sure there's nothing inside. Oh, there is. You always gotta make sure you're looking inside these bags because I always feel like they put like a brush or something. The first thing I have here is a brush. This is a Dome Blending Brush by Shayna B. Go ahead and see what's the first thing in here. Our next Mega Drop Shop is coming in hot. It says that from 1/8 to 1/21, their Mega Shop of 2024 will be available and all products will be up to 80% off. Really quickly before we get into the actual unboxing, I am wearing the new YSL. This is their skin tint. This is it's called their Bare Look tint, and I am in the shade number 9. Love this stuff. I have just a little bit of concealer for spotting, and then I just go in with the skin tint and use a brush, like a flat brush. It works every time. And then for bronzing up my skin, I went in with the Colourpop sticks in the shade La Jolla Cove. First thing we have is by Aceology. This is the Hydro Glow Energizing Green Tea Eye Mask. We also have Dr. Brandt's Microdermabrasion. I think it's been a while since I've seen something like this in our Ipsy bag. I feel like we used to get so much Dr. Brandt in the past. I haven't gotten anything. I also have this Ace Beauty Slick Luster. This is a lip gloss, and we have it in the shade. Oh, Slick Luster is the color. Oh, it's like a baby doll pink. It's so light and cute. I'm gonna hold off and just make sure we don't have like a lipstick or something, and then I can put that over it. But I did also see that I have a mascara, another product I just want to hold off. But this is by Treloose Beauty. Is it Treloose? Treloose? This is a mascara. It's their Illusion of Volumizing and Lengthening Mascara. Look at that wand. It is so thin. It's probably super lengthening. It's very similar to like the Bad Gal Bang mascara. So that is what we have in our bag. We have some staples, some makeup we're going to play around with. Let's go ahead and get into the Glam Bag Plus here. Is that what they still call it? I gotta figure out what they call these. I call this the Glam Bag Plus. I think that's what it's still called. Correct me if I'm wrong. I'm probably wrong. Let's start off with the first thing I see here. Are these socks? Oh, they're socks. Look at how cute these are. And then they say Ipsy I think these are creators. So it says creator incubator socks. So these are little socks that they sent over. They're cozy, soft socks. Nova, honey, sit down. Good girl. You want to see them? Oh my gosh, I'm totally wearing those. I love a good cozy sock. Byron? I don't know. B-Y-R-O. And it's like a backward W-Y. It is their Pro Berry Pore Refining Toner. Oh, look at how pretty that is. So this is the Il Makiage. This is their Color Boss Squad HiColor Quad. Ooh, look at that right there, folks. Let's go on and see what else we've got to play around with in here. I have another eyeshadow. This is by Pear Nova. This is a Eye Duo Stick Shadow and Liner in Rose Quartz. Ooh, with the brown liner. I have really been into brown liner, so I'm excited to create a look right now using this. So this is the shadow stick. It's a very light rose gold. I think that would be really good on the eye. And then this is the liner. I have this here, which is a lip scrub by the brand Lucky Chick. I have this lip scrub here. Let's go ahead and open this right here. Sweet vanilla. It smells incredible. And then I have Dermalect. This is a flawless Bakuchiol treatment. What? Bakuchiol. I don't know how to say that. It is a phyto cream that targets the look of fine lines, dullness, and photo aging. Oh, it's a natural retinol alternative. Interesting. So we're gonna dive into the Il Makiage palette that we just got and take this matte shadow. right here, and we're gonna use that to apply on the lid. We're gonna use this all over. And I am just using a Morphe M514. And really what I'm doing is just getting that all over the crease and above. I'm hoping the lighting is doing so much better today at this time. I actually just got 2 new lights. There's one here and then there's one here. I'm playing around with it. This is the first time I'm filming with it, so I'm excited to see how it looks. But it's a constant work in progress for sure. I'm thinking I might take this shade. We're just gonna go in and we're gonna apply this on the outer corner. And I have played with like Il Makiage shadows before. They're a lot lighter in formula, so I feel like you do take a little bit more time to like build them. I'm only gonna see people for a little bit tonight. My daughter's got a basketball game that she's performing at. I'm not really gonna go and sit. I'm just gonna kind of watch from the sidelines and just see it. I've seen her perform a few times, so I'm like thinking about it. I was like, this might be her last basketball game that she performs at as a 8th grader at her middle school, and that kind of makes me a little sad. You guys, I'm gonna have a high schooler next year. Like, that's a little bit darker than what I wanted to go. I'm gonna go in this thing from Pear Nova. I want to say Persona. And I'm gonna put this all over my lid. I stopped at Walgreens the other day, get some fun like Christmas nails because I had a Christmas party that I went to over the weekend. I was looking for their collection, and if you guys saw my video from last week, I had these like really cute, like super Christmassy ones. I was hoping to find them again and I couldn't find them, but I found these and I thought these were pretty close to Christmas collection. They're white with gold. These are by Kiss, and these are not the press-ons. In my last video I had press-ons on. These are the ones that you glue on. This one actually just popped up a little bit earlier. I'm gonna use this shadow to set this cream base, but I have to give props to the brands that are doing the press-ons. Those press-ons, they sat so well on me. Like, I made cookies and everything, washed my hands like hundreds of times, and they stayed on. They did a great job at staying on. I was shocked. I expected them to pop off like that same day. I think I'm gonna take my dome brush really quickly, and I'm gonna take a little bit of this shade right here, put this on the outer corner. I was talking to a couple of people and they were like, oh my goodness, like, do press-ons even work? And I was like, actually, the formula's gotten so much better. So if you guys see like nail sets that are press-ons, like, do not be like shy, give them a shot. I'm gonna go and take this brown and run it on my lower lash line. I always stop right at the center of my eye. Blend it out and kind of wing it. It's very light, like you can't really see it. I'm gonna take the chocolate brown and I'm just going to stamp it right on top. I think it needs to be. It's actually really smooth though. So I only put it like on the outer corner, and then I take like my angled brush and I use the angled brush, wing it. It's a good chocolate brown. It is a lot lighter than what I'm used to. Like, it's not as pigmented as I'd like it to be. I'm having a hard time. Like, some of it keeps like pulling off. I'm gonna go in with the Très Loose mascara. Oh, I like the wand for sure. Very, very similar to the Bad Gal Bang like wand. Definitely lengthens. It's not a waterproof formula, so my eyelashes are already falling. I don't know how I'm feeling about this eye look. The mascara looks good though. I got super messy right there. Isn't that wonderful? Let's use this. This is the Lucky Chick. This is their Sweet Vanilla Scrub. It smells so good. It's very moisturizing. Now I'm just gonna use the standard lip liner. Let's try this. This is the Buxom Chocolate. I don't know how I feel about it. With the Ace Beauty gloss in the shade Slick Luster. I've got mascara all over the top of my lash. The mascara's fine for lengthening. I would never use it alone. We're gonna leave it so you guys can see it. I was gonna mess around with it and add some stuff. I feel like you guys need to see it without me messing with it. It has taken everything in me to not put on like lashes, because I feel like my lashes are just like non-existent. My lashes don't stay up unless I have like some sort of a waterproof formula, so you can barely see them. As far as the eyeshadow palette itself, They're a little bit creamier to the point where it kind of looks shiny on the lid. So as far as like this goes, the shadow stick is good, but I'm not a fan of the eyeliner itself. I'm very excited about the cozy socks, you guys. The cozy socks are a big one for me. You guys let me know what your thoughts are down below on this month's box. I'm okay with that. It's not my favorite. Last month's box, I really liked last month's box. So I'm hoping that January will be a much better hit. For me, this box is kind of I'm not very impressed by it. You guys, thanks again for watching today's video. Let me know down below if you kind of like this sort of video vibe, like if this is something you like, seeing me apply these products, let me know in the comments below. Thank you and have a wonderful day. Happy holidays. I will see you guys all in my next video. Make sure to hit that little notification bell so you guys are notified when I throw a video up, and I will see you guys soon. Bye.